Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error code 126. This one, failed to load DLL from the list, or usually it's all about how you can start the game. You cannot play the game on Windows 10, especially because there is a missing DLL. So all you have to do, just copy this command line. I will give you the text or the command line on the description of my video. Here you can copy the command line into the PowerShell. Windows PowerShell, sorry. You can type Windows PowerShell in here. So you can copy the text and right click and then enter, and then copy again the second command line, enter, and then copy again the third command line, enter. So this is Microsoft Store, so you can get this gaming service first, then you can play your favorite game. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. Enjoy the game.